this chapter, we will go over marking using OmniWin. This process is what you will use whether you are marking with plasma, laser, punch, or inkjet. To set up any kind of marking on your part, simply select the contours you want marked. Go to the Drawing Layer section in the toolbar and select the type of marking you want. The message, "The attributes of selected objects are changed," shows up. Click OK. Notice the contour you selected is now the same color as the marking type you chose, indicating that this is now a marking layer. You can also change the drawing layer to marking before you create the contour you want marked. To mark text, under Drawing, select the Text tool. Create your text. Use the drop-down under the Text to Contours in Modify. Notice there are different types of contours. Text to Contours uses the font you have selected and creates an outline of that font. Text to Simple Contours creates straight lines that make up the character for simple marking. Text to Continuous Contour. This creates links between characters with a straight line. This eliminates all rapid movement between individual characters, and the marking process can continue without interruption, reducing production time drastically. Text to Improved Continuous Contour. This is similar to Continuous Contour, but features a better readability and slightly reduced marking speed compared to the continuous contours. Once you've selected the text to contours that you want, follow the prompts in the command line. Specify Object means select the text, then hit Enter. The command line then asks to accept. Click on the selected object. Then just click on the text you have selected again. OmniWin can automatically mark your parts with a part name. In Nesting, go to the Nesting Plan option in the menu bar. Go to Dynamic Marking. Here, you can change the type of text to contour and marking process. In the drop-down, look for Automatic Part Labeling and check the Enabled box. In this menu, you can also select where on the part you would like the part name to be displayed, as well as a text size. Then, use the drop-down on the OK button and select Save Profile and Process Data. Now, if you drag a part or use the AutoNest feature, your part will have the name on it as its own marking layer. If you have any questions, contact our Applications Department for prompt service. 262-532-4689.